Right, welcome back to another video. Gonna be doing Toffee wheel, how to remove silicone or any sticky adhesive off car paintwork using one of these. Yeah, this will be interesting. Right, so I normally used a silicone base. I thought it was adhesive, but it wasn't. A silicone base to stick this spoiler down, and it's basically, the spoiler's basically come off and it's left a right mess. And the only way to make it look like this is to use one of these, and this is called a Toffee wheel. Or was it a caramel wheel? I can't remember, one of the two. The link will be in the description for this exact one that I've got. It just literally attaches onto your drill. Yeah, we'll get straight into it. So when you're doing this, you need to make sure that you're not staying in one spot consistently, else you will get burn marks in the paint. As you can see, I'm moving from side to side, up and down, not staying in one spot, and eventually it'll all come off. So this is the first run on it. Probably just get a cloth now and be able to wipe all this off, all this that's like excess residue of it. It's like comes off now really easy. But yeah, that's the after. So let's get a cloth now and wipe all this. Alright, well now we're going to do another pass on it, and then we'll wipe it again and hopefully it'll all be gone. And there you have it, all gone. Nice and easy. No scratches. Nothing. Brings up the paintwork back to normal. I use it, caramel, toffee oil, whatever you want to call it, on the car paintwork. It will work on any sort of adhesive as well. So if you've got an annoying sticker residue that you need to get rid of, it'll work on that. If you've got them silly stripes down your Mini, it'll get rid of them, the residue on that. So yeah, it's definitely worth buying, definitely worth having in, just in case you need to use it whenever. So yeah, that's a quick, short and sweet one. I hope you liked it. If you could like and subscribe, let me know what you think down below in the comment section. And yeah, I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.